Hey, it's me. Turns out Apple just released iOS 12.5.1 and here's how you can jailbreak iOS 12.5.1 down to iOS 12 using Checkra1n Jailbreak on a Windows PC. So first things first, before going next, let me quickly show you. This here is an iPhone 7 which is running on iOS 12.5.1. I just updated this iPhone. If you have an iPhone 5s or iPhone 6, maybe all the iPads running on iOS 12, you can watch this video. And if you don't have a Windows PC, you can still watch this video because I'll quickly explain what you have to do, and then once you visit your friend's house, just borrow their computer for like 5 minutes and then you know everything what to do, because if you watch this video, I'll explain you'll get what to do. Then you can just simply jailbreak in 5 minutes. So the first thing you have to do is open any browser of your choice. In my case, it's Firefox, and by the time Firefox is opening, I just want to request you all that if you are enjoying these type of videos and interested in jailbreaking, you can hit that subscribe button. I make a lot of jailbreaking related videos and I try to do it as quick as I can. Just simply search for 3U Tools and the first website that comes in, just click on that. We don't need to boot into Linux and do all sorts of weird stuff. Just download 3U Tools, install it as you do for every other software, click on save file, and now as you can see, 3U Tools is downloading. Then just go through the installation process. It's very easy. The next thing, just go to the Windows icon and search for 3U Tools. Open 3U Tools and it says then just click on yes and launch 3U Tools. The next thing you have to do is go ahead, search up and get a pen drive. Now this is a 4GB pen drive and you'll see this toolbox tab. Next to that toolbox tab, you'll see an option where it says flash and jailbreak, like here. The next thing, once you do that, you'll see this option where it says jailbreak. Just click here, click on make Checkra1n Jailbreak USB flash drive, and then select your pen drive. If you have like 2 pen drives plugged in, I don't know, just select a pen drive, hit on yes, and it will start making that Checkra1n ISO file. Now you can see the first time it gave us an error, but no problem, we'll try it the other time. Now as you can see, this jailbreak queue has been made, but one thing I want to point out here is that once you try jailbreaking your iPhone, the first time you fail it, you have to redo it, because sometimes there might be some problems within the software like 3U Tools or the Checkra1n itself. You have to keep trying. At one stage, this thing will just simply work for you. Now, what we did over here, because it's important to let you know that what we just did here. And one more thing I want to point out is that all data in your pen drive, your thumb drive, will be deleted. So make a backup of it. What we did just here is took that Checkra1n ISO file and just directly burned it into our pen drive. Now you can't just simply put it, because we want to boot from that Checkra1n ISO file, and if you didn't understood any of this, just simply do the process what I told you to do and shut down your PC. That's all you gotta do. Now once your PC is completely powered off, just plug it into a power source, turn on your PC while rapidly pressing a key to enter in one-time boot menu. How do I know which is the key to enter in one-time boot menu? I get it, I totally get it. You don't know what is the key to enter in one-time boot menu? Well, I got you covered. I'll link a full article down in the description below with keys to enter in one-time boot menu for all laptops. So you are covered over here. Now you can see this is what we call a boot menu. Now here you have to select your USB drive so that you can boot into your USB drive. Now it's very easy. Like for you, this screen will be different than mine, but you have to use those arrow keys, scroll above and down and select your pen drive. Here you can see, hit on enter and you're just booting in your pen drive. Now you can see all these things going on your screen. Do not worry, nothing is happening to your device. Simply all you have to do is just press Alt plus F2. Don't press anything else, just simply press Alt plus F2. And here you go. We are here in Checkra1n. Once Checkra1n is launched, first of all, I'll bring my phone and you can see again that same iPhone 6 running on iOS 12.5.1. If you even have an iOS device which is running on iOS 12.5, 12.4, 0.9 or whatever, it will work with this full 2021 tutorial. All of that is done. The next thing, bring a high quality lightning cable. You have to do the same thing for your iPhone, and if you anyhow don't know how to connect your iPhone to your PC, I'll link a full guide on how you can do so. You just gotta slip it in, but this is quite important. Like, I'll just unplug it and replug the thing, and you can see this trust pop-up. If you don't trust over here, there is a chance that you won't be able to jailbreak. So I just hit on the trust button and done. Our phone is now connected to our PC. I'll just put it at a side, and on our screen you can see, just click on options, use those arrow keys to go up and put a check mark on allow untested iOS and iPadOS versions. Then simply use those arrow keys, go back, hit on start, hit on next, and it will essentially put your device in recovery mode. Now, in order to jailbreak, we need to put our device in recovery mode and then in DFU mode. Checkra1n will guide you through it, how we have to do stuff. Now, once you do that, this is really important. Since we all are jailbreaking iOS 12.5.1, there is a higher chance that we are using the same iPhone 6. Like, not the same iPhone 6, but iPhone 6. If you're using iPhone 5 or any other iPad, simply you'll see on your screen that what you have to do in order to enter in DFU mode. Now for me and all iPhone 6 users and maybe iPhone 5s users too, all you have to do is press the side button and the power button. As you can see, it's there on your screen. Just simply follow what's on your screen. So on my screen, I'll hit enter. It says to press and hold the side button and the volume down button. Release the side button after like 4 seconds and keep holding the power button. I'll just do the same thing, and now you can see our device is entered in DFU mode. Now it will do everything on its own. It will boot your device, and you can see this Checkra1n icon. Now don't panic. Nothing is going to happen to your device. You are completely safe with your device over here. It won't do anything weird to your device, and the most that can happen is your device will simply fail to jailbreak and boot back into iOS. Try again. All done. You can see on my screen everything's done. On my phone, I just open it up. I go here. There is no Checkra1n icon. If that's the case for you, all you have to do, just wait for a couple of seconds, and the Checkra1n icon will eventually appear. Okay, now as you all know, iPhone 6 has some connectivity issues, so I brought my other iPhone and I just turned on personal hotspot and connected this iPhone, because for the next step we need an internet connection. Just open Checkra1n, hit on Install Cydia, and now as you can see right here, it's downloading base system, it's installing Cydia. This might take a while depending upon your internet connection, so you have to wait for a little bit, and now you can see it's installing Cydia right now, and everything should go fine now. And you can see it automatically quits Checkra1n. And now if we open Cydia, as you can see, Cydia is loading, and if we scroll all the way down, because I just want to again show you, this here is an iPhone 6 running on iOS 12.5.1 jailbroken with Checkra1n jailbreak. Either way friends, that was pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys have enjoyed it. And one more thing I want to mention, how to get rid of this Checkra1n. Just force power off your PC. Yeah, that's it. Have a good day. Peace.